Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to create, update, GoHighLevel contact for Instagram lead ads lead. So I'm an owner of a digital marketing agency and I promote my agency with the help of Instagram lead ads. And I manage the data of all my leads with the help of GoHighLevel. Here what I want is that as soon as by the potential customers or clients, a new lead is going to be generated using Instagram lead ads. I want to create that lead as a contact in my GoHighLevel account. Now creating these contacts manually is very time consuming. So what I've done is I've simply automated this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. And here in this automation, I'm going to build a connection between Instagram lead ads and GoHighLevel with the help of it. So if you also want to learn about this amazing automation process step by step, for that let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to create or update GoHighLevel contact on Instagram lead ads lead. As an owner of a digital marketing agency, I focus on generating quality leads for my business. I use Instagram lead ads to capture potential clients who show interest in my services. And I use GoHighLevel to manage and nurture these leads efficiently. To streamline my workflow, I automate the process of adding and updating contacts in GoHighLevel whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Instagram lead ads. This ensures that every lead is instantly recording in my CRM, allowing me to engage with them promptly without any manual efforts. And I'm going to create this amazing automation between Instagram lead ads and GoHighLevel with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the products that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button right here. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on the top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the name of my workflow here, I'm going to give it as Create, Update, GoHighLevel Contact from Instagram Lead Ads Lead. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. After that, it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I have created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down. These are the folders from which I'm going to select GoHighLevel Automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving the name to the workflow and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on this Create button in order to create a workflow. As you can see that a workflow is created in the name of Create, Update, GoHighLevel Contact from Instagram Lead Ads Lead. So as a workflow is created, you can see there are two windows in front of you. One over here says Trigger, other says Action. So what is Trigger and Action? Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two principles. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means what is action? Action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first. And for the trigger application over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as Instagram lead ads. As with the help of Instagram lead ads, I am promoting my digital marketing agency. I want that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Instagram lead ads, automatically the trigger over here should capture the response. That is why for my trigger application, I've selected it as Instagram lead ads. And for the trigger event, I'm going to select it as new lead instant. After selecting the trigger application and the event, I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection that you have. After that, click on connect with Instagram lead ads. A window is going to appear in front of you and I want to continue with this Facebook account. So I'm going to click on this continue button right over here. As I'm going to do that, you can successfully authorized Instagram lead ads to Pabbly Connect. So why it was very easy for me to authorize my Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect? That is because I've already logged into my Facebook account and in my Instagram account in a new tab, so that connecting my Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect will be much easier, okay? As now the connection is built, it is asking for us to select the page and the lead gen form. Okay, so over here for the page, we have to select the Facebook page which has been connected with your Instagram account. So this is my Instagram account, you can see right over here, and this account is connected with this page right over here. In order to check the connection, from the left side of the panel, go to settings option right over here. After coming to the settings of this page over here from the left side of the panel, if I'm going to scroll down, you can see it says linked accounts. I'm going to click on it. And in Instagram, you can see my account is linked with the account you can see right over here. And this is the same account with the help of which I'm promoting my Instagram lead ads. As now this page that I've created, if I'm going to go back, as now this page that is Digital Dynamics is connected with my Instagram account that is right over here. So for the page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for Digital Dynamics right over here, and I'm going to select the page that is connected to my Instagram that I've selected. That's a page right over here. Okay. After selecting the page, it is asking for us to select the lead gen form. I've created lead ads form in the name of Digital Dynamics form. So I'm going to select the lead gen form right over here. After selecting the page and the lead gen form, over here it says simple response. I want the simple response format, so I'm going to toggle this button on right here, and then I'm going to click on this save and send test request button right over here. As I've done that, it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Instagram lead ads has now been connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test lead for my business. And after generating the test lead, I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the test lead being generated or not. Now for generating the test lead, I'm going to open Meta's lead ads testing tool. Using this tool, we can generate the test lead for checking. Okay. So now firstly it is asking for us to select the page. So for the page, we have created a page in the name of Digital Dynamics. So what I'm going to do is for the page, I'm going to select it as Digital Dynamics, and for the form selected, and for the form, I'm going to select as Digital Dynamics form. Then I'm going to click on this preview form button right here. So this is the form that I've created with the help of which I'm going to collect my leads data. Firstly, it is asking for the lead's first name. So for the first name over here, I'm going to select it as test. After that, it is asking for the last name. So for the last name over here, I'm going to select it as lead33. Then it is asking for the email. So for the email over here, I'm going to write it as testlead33@pabblyconnect.com. And for the phone number over here, I'm going to enter a dummy mobile number right here. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue button and on submit to do the test submission. As now it says the test lead has been sent, this means now the test lead is generated. So I'm going to go back to my workflow over here and scroll down. You can see the response of the test lead being generated has been captured in our trigger. First name is test, last name is lead33, email is testlead33@pabblyconnect.com with a dummy mobile number, date and time of the lead being generated with all the other details. As now the response of the lead being generated has been captured in our trigger, this means that Instagram lead ads has now been connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step, in which for the action application over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as Lead Connector V2. Lead Connector V2 is GoHighLevel for Pabbly Connect. So that is why I'm going to select it as Lead Connector V2. And for the action event, I'm going to select it as create or update a contact. And then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection that you have. So in my GoHighLevel account, I have created a sub account in the name of Pabbly Connect. I want to show you in which I want to create the contacts of my leads in. Okay. So after that, over here, I'm going to click on this connect with lead connector V2 button right over here. As I'm going to do that, a window is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for us to select the sub account, which I told you already that it is Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select my sub account in which I want to create my leads contact as Pabbly Connect right over here. So I'm going to search for Pabbly Connect right here. So this is the sub account. I'm going to select the sub account from the drop down. And as I've done that, you can see I successfully authorized GoHighLevel with Pabbly Connect, that is Lead Connector V2. Okay. After that, it is asking for all these details with the help of which we are going to create a new contact in our GoHighLevel account. So for the data of these fields, what we are going to do is we are going to map the data. What is mapping? Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. And how it works is that as soon as I'm going to click on this field, this was the previous step. As I'm going to click on it, there's the same response that was captured in our previous step. In the response, I have received my leads data and I want to create the same same lead as a contact in my GoHighLevel account. So for the data of this first name field, I'm going to select the data of the first name of my lead from my previous response. As I've now selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped. And as I've mapped the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this map data. Similarly, for the last name, I'm going to map the data of the last name right over here. For the full name, I'm going to map the data of the first name space the last name. For the email, I'm going to map the data of the email. For the phone number, I'm going to map the data of the phone number. It is asking for the location, ID, address, city. I do not have these fields, so I'm going to skip the part, okay? If I'm going to further scroll down over here, it is asking for the source. So for the source over here, I'm going to write it as Instagram lead ads, okay? So this is the source over here. If I'm going to further scroll down, it is asking for all these details which I do not require, so I'm going to simply skip the part and simply click on the save and send test request button right here. As I've done that, we have received a response in which we have received the contact ID, which is a positive response. So now I'm going to go back to my GoHighLevel account. This is my GoHighLevel account contacts page. I'm going to refresh this page from here. As I've refreshed the page, you can see a new contact has been created in my GoHighLevel account. Let us tally the response of the contact. The first name is Test, last name is Lead33, email is testlead33@pabblytudes.com with a dummy mobile number, and the contact source is Instagram lead ads. As now a new contact has been created in my GoHighLevel account, this means that we have successfully created an automation between Instagram lead ads and GoHighLevel with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a digital marketing agency and I promote my agency with the help of Instagram lead ads. And I manage the data of all my leads using GoHighLevel. For the trigger, I've selected as Instagram lead ads new lead instant, as whenever a new lead is going to be generated by the potential customers or clients for my business using Instagram lead ads, the trigger over here is going to capture the response of that. And for the action, I've selected as lead connector V2, that is GoHighLevel create or update a contact, as whenever a new lead is going to be generated in my Instagram account, automatically using the leads details in the response, a contact is going to be created using this action step in my GoHighLevel account. And with the help of Pabbly Connect, I've built a connection between these two applications in this manner. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can check the queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.